Loyalties, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Glam Upcycle DIY. So I'm taking this old wood cabinet door that I painted with white paint from Rust-Oleum, and I am going to take a few items from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to transform this cabinet door into a beautiful mirror fall decor piece. So you're going to see me use some silver spoons that I popped the tops off, and I'm going to decorate the arch of this door to give it more of a decorative look, kind of a vintage, shiny, modern spin or something, I don't know. But we are going to decorate it using these spoons. So I'm adding glue to adhere the spoons down, and what I do on one side, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to take some adhesive bling rhinestones that you can pick up from your local Walmart. And we're just going to place them on top of the spoons. Now, this is definitely optional, but it does add the glam effect that I am wanting to achieve with this DIY. And then I'm going to share with you how I made my little silver metal flower. And I popped out 4 more spoons, and I kind of glued them together and made a cross to come up with a cute little silver spoon to go right in the center of the door. So now that we have our little flower form, I'm going to add a ample amount of hot glue to the bottom and just secure it to the cabinet door. Now I'm going to add a little gem to the centerpiece of the flower because I want to glam it up. Now the next thing we're going to do after we've done all of this is add some silver beading that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree or from craft stores. Mine's actually came from a craft store. I believe it was Michael's. So you're going to take this beading and we're just going to outline the inner perimeter of this decor piece. And I am doubling up my lengths right now just because what I do on one side I plan to do the other. And I'm adding some hot glue because that's how we're going to secure the beads down. You don't need a whole lot, but you want to make sure that you put enough on there where the beads will be securely secured to the wood door. Now adding some bling wrap, we're going to get a long piece that is about the length of the inner side of the wood, and we're going to take a 2-inch wide strip of the bling, and we're going to run it right down in the inner portion of the door, just like we did with the beads, but this time we're going to be further down in the grooves of the board. So I'm going to add your hot glue, and you want to do the same on the other side, and I'm showing you exactly how it looks. So now that we have all of that decorated and done, we're going to take these mirrored mirrors or mirrors from a frame that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to add some E6000 to the very back of it, as well as some hot glue for quick hold and the easy style, and of course it's for permanent hold. And we're going to place them down in the design fashion that you like. This is the style that I like. And I know y'all, some of these things you may not be able to find in your local craft stores or Dollar Tree because this is a upcycle. So this DIY is more for anything inspiration purposes. So some of these pieces I'm sure you may not find, but if you find an old cabinet door, I'm sure that you can decorate it and jazz it up like I'm doing here. Now I have these mirrored leaves. These came from the Dollar Tree and they're adhesive, but it's not enough sticky or tackiness on the back for it to hold, so I'm adding some hot glue and I'm just placing them down on my wood door. As you see, my fall mirror decor piece is coming along very nicely. I mean, who would have ever thought that you could make a wood door look so beautiful? That's why I love upcycles, because it is cost efficient, and I just love seeing old things take a new life form. So now I'm taking these adhesive rhinestones, the same ones we used earlier on the flowers, and I'm just outlining that mirror with some of these because it needs an outline to make the mirrors pop. And that's what I'm doing, you guys. So I hope that you were inspired by this DIY, and here's the reveal. I'm going to share with you with the flash off and with the flash on so you can see how well it looks when the flash or light hits the piece. It's very cute. I really love how it turned out. It's glam and it is so me. So this is a cute alternative for some fall decor in your home if you truly love the bling look and something different and unique. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us today. I want to invite you to click that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification. And thank you to all my return loyalty family members. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every last one of you so much. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.